Hello everybody, and I hope you are having a fantastic day. Now, if you're watching this at night, screw you. If you're watching this at night, please, pause this video, close your device, go sleep, then come back later when you're more focused, okay? Because I really want this habit to help you out as well, all right? Now, today I'm going unscripted because it's something from the bottom of my heart, and I really enjoy it. Now, before I get into it, I really want to put some context in this. As all good things started, hopefully that's probably very loud on your side. Okay, it's just some jets right there in the sky. You can see them. I don't want to really tilt the camera too much, but hey, you know what's cool? Hey, do you see this car? It's pretty cool, yeah. Anyway, so as I was saying, I don't have much time because this camera keeps, overheating. So as a lot of things that are good started out with me, it started with my mother. So last year she gave me this little notebook, and it's really small, really. And I used it to its full extent. I wrote a lot of stuff in it. It was too small to write a lot of things on one page, so what I usually did is just do to-do lists, right? So after a year, when this finished, and like I used it up the whole thing, I went to go buy another one, same size as this, and then I only saw these types of books, all right? So only these sizes. Oh, here comes another one, damn it. All right, so I only found these sizes. So I was a little bit reluctant to get these ones because I'm not really used to it, and I learned another very important lesson. Turns out I really like this one a lot more than the smaller one. So when you are you're presented with new ways, don't be afraid to try them. It's pretty obvious, but still, a lot of us know these, but we never really act on them. That's my biggest flaw so far. Anyway, so I got this little book, and I'd tell you. You should totally invest in one as well, like a diary. You get a little bit of a date here, and you can write down everything you want. I've written here ideas, things to do, random events that happened to me that are memorable, information that I might use later. It's very useful to me, and it always keeps me a clear mind for, my existential crisis. But, so 3 weeks ago, I'm just kidding, 1 year ago, I really didn't expect this to be much of a big deal. I was like, my mom gave it to me. I'm like, yeah, all right, let me try it out. So it became a habit pretty quick to me because I like writing stuff down, and I really want you guys to try this as well. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of scientific evidence that is very helpful for you, and I'm gonna put down these articles down in the description. Hopefully, if you want, you can have a read from them. Do your own research as well. Maybe there are negatives, I'm not too sure, but for me, I feel like this is a very good investment. It's very cheap, and you can get for the whole year a page every day. You can write down the stuff, and as a little tip, I'm saying if you get something physical that you can prove as evidence, you can go ahead and stamp it here. This is some memories, you know what I'm saying? Here's a little cat break. Oh, so cute. So it's also very good to keep a lot of other habits joined together. It could be your calendar. You can write stuff ahead of time. For example, I've written some, let's say right here, some quizzes, some tests that I have. For example, here I have for physics tomorrow, on the day of Wednesday, next Wednesday, sorry. So, and it could also help on another habit, called the chain, if you've ever heard about it. When you're trying to build a habit or trying to break a bad habit, you always write down in a chain on your calendar. This can also work the same way. You can put down a little number here, like you succeeded, or if not, you make a little jot here. For example, I've succeeded here for 7 days in breaking one bad habit. I always procrastinate. Hopefully I break that one day. It's a good way. It helps you break do your bad habit less often, and it can encourage you to do your positive habits. And that's basically what I really want to do today. So 2019 is on the horizon, only 1 month and a half left for it. So if you can, get a diary like this, get a diary like this on 2019, and I really hope it turns out well for you as well as it for me, maybe even more. That guys, the video cut because the phone overheated, as always. So last thing I want to say, just to summarize, this is a very good habit, and you should try it out for yourself. There's a lot of scientific evidence behind it, and it can help you clear your mind write in to-do tasks, your hobbies, your ideas, whatever you have, your events. And you remember I told you the physical evidence tip? I have another tip too. You can also put in an audiobook accompanying this. Sorry for the camera, it's really I'm just gonna close this, okay? So you can put like a jot down at the top of, okay, I'm still gonna open it. At the top of the page, like for example, like right here, you can say audiobook available on Tuesday, November 13th. Then you go to your phone, you record what you did, you know, like tell your whole story to yourself, and then after you're done, you can rename the sound clip into the date, you know, and then right at the end, audiobook. And this can be really like resonate with you, or it can be great memories for you in the future. Hell, maybe you can, you know, go wild with it, man. All right, so, you know, that's all I want to say. Please like this video if you did. You know, share this. Please do share this with your friends, because they might also, you know, benefit from this. And consider subscribing. I'll see you guys all later. Au revoir.